Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN8, Sundowns 1, Pirates 1. I'm joined by the maximalist. It's KG.
Football technocrat. Maximalist. Sibo, what a spectacle that we witnessed today.
Yeah.
Here at Orlando. I think it was a good one for the supporters of both the teams.
Yeah.
It's one of those that you're always on the edge of the seat.
Yeah.
Because it was end to end in the first half. I think it was a game of two halves.
Yes.
If I'm to be honest with you, for once, the Orlando Pirates coach did something right.
Yeah.
In terms of building his team.
Yeah.
The defensive line was very, very good. And Bogazi, Bogazi, Siema.
Yeah.
I was a bit worried when I saw Siema in the starting lineup. But the boy, is top quality.
Yeah.
The only thing that he lacks is his passing game, but I think he will get there. Bogazi is a beast.
Yeah.
One of the finest talents to come out of South Africa. I must say, timing, he reads the game.
Yeah.
He wears the captaincy armband. I thought at some point it's going to be a bit heavy for him in such a game.
Yeah.
The boy excelled.
Yeah.
For me, Bogazi is the man of the match.
Yeah.
He's the man of the match.
By far.
I'm a supporter of young talent.
Sure.
I love young talent. I like seeing young players coming to these games to display their talent.
Yeah.
The boy is going far. He's going far. I give him a year or two, a season or two. Bogazi will get a contract elsewhere out of this country. Trust me, more right here now. Bogazi.
Yeah.
Bogazi is a quality.
Yeah.
Still, Bogazi is a quality. It has to be said, Bogazi is a quality player.
Sure.
He's a quality central defender. He reads the game. He can marshal his defensive line. And he handled it very well because Olebella, Bogazi, there was Siema, there was Hoto. The game plan for Orlando Pirates, obviously to catch Sundowns on the transition. First half, Sundowns rotated the ball, they circulated the ball.
Yeah.
The most battles, if Olebella, they win the middle of the park. That's why Sundowns came with Zwani, Mola Bagena, Lendebare. No. Jedana Utseni Hebansa Zwani.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and then Letebo Mukoin. And then Pirates Yabusambata.
Yes.
They started with Mbata.
Yes.
They had Tito.
Yeah.
And then they had Nduli.
Yes.
That's where a lot of activity takes place. You manage the midfield, you control the game. If you manage the game, you can easily dominate the opponent. So it was a good spectacle. There's one thing that I want to mention also. I don't know what the Orlando Pirates supporters see in Tito. For me, Tito is overrated.
Yeah.
He's overrated and he's a liability.
Yeah.
He's a liability. Well, I understand that he's a liability because he gives nothing to Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
I must say it now. Tito.
Yeah.
Bona Mufugeng can be a better number 10 than Tito. He can be a better number 10 than Tito. Level the substitution of Tito. Bafaka Bakenza Muremi, Bakenya Ntwana a police.
Yes.
And then Pirates started playing.
Yes.
Sebelebele was running on the flank.
Yeah.
Very, very good player, Sebelebele. In the second half, that's when we started seeing Orlando Pirates playing, because in the first half it was only the transition. It kept Sundowns on the transition.
Yeah.
Sundowns Sundowns took a high line on the defensive pairing ya Bogazi le Moremi, as well as Hoto Iradi Ranzi, as well as Van Rooyen.
Sure.
But in the second half, that's when we started seeing Orlando Pirates, because Mamelodi Sundowns tried to protect the lead. That's why Obana Bagena Divine Lunga and the absence of Lucas Costa. Bona, it destabilizes Mamelodi Sundowns. I must say, this is not the normal Mamelodi Sundowns that we know, because they set back a lot and they allowed Orlando Pirates to take the game to them. And I, at some point when I looked at the game, Kabona Horaiman, a goal will come here. Goal because they were panicking. They were panicking. I told my friend right here, alright, Pirates to score because they were panicking. Bakena Divine Lunga, they get Bakena Obasi, and I could see that but Tomo lose a shape, but Tomo lose a structure of Mamelodi Sundowns. That's when they were dismantled by the quick. The speed of these players, Sibilibele, Apolisi, Moremi, Ntwane Barge, Radio Pani. For Orlando Pirates coach, this is how you introduce the new players. Not Radio Pani per se, but new players, you introduce them gradually into the system. You understand? And he did that well because Otomileka Kamahopa has a good work rate. He knows how to keep the defenders very busy. He keeps them busy. And he adds that extra number even in the middle of the park. He drops deep to collect and distribute the ball. Sometimes you find him on the flank. Sometimes he's on the center. Understand? So Radio Pan doesn't have the heart, doesn't have the strength, doesn't have the speed, doesn't have the height. Understand? Radio Pan doesn't have that. So started sharp because and then the new players at the second half use because over protected this time around. He protected them. They gave him a good game towards the end of 90 minutes because Babile free, abatomale game. Abale pressure. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Abale pressure starter. They started no benching, second half of Batenta, then they changed the game for him. They got the goal. Congratulations to both the teams because I think they played very well. We'll be there once again to support whoever we are going to support. Bafetu. Now Masanda.